Before the world was named. Phase 1. The collapse of time. There is a moment before language, before memory, before the nervous system learned the word danger, before the mind learned the word me. That moment is still here. It never left. You do not need to reach it. You are already inside it. So now, stop trying. Let the breath breathe itself. Let the body be heavy. Let effort dissolve, not into sleep, but into something older than thought. Inhale without intention. Exhale without control. You are not doing this. Life is doing you. And for the first time in a long time, you are not interfering. Phase 2. The end of the seeker. You were taught that awakening is something you achieve, that peace is something you earn, that wholeness is something you fix yourself into. But notice something quietly devastating. The one trying to awaken is the one that is exhausted. The one trying to heal is the one who believes it is broken. The one trying to become whole is the one that learned it was fragmented. So now, let the seeker sit down. Let the fixer loosen their grip. Let the self-improvement machinery go quiet. You do not evolve into truth. You collapse into it, and what remains was never damaged. Phase 3. The place before trauma. Trauma did not happen to your essence. It happened to your nervous system. Long after consciousness was already whole, the body learned fear. So now, instead of trying to relive the past, we go underneath it, under the first memory, under the first flinch, under the first moment you learned to brace. There, you were never afraid. There, you were never rejected. There, existence had not yet learned to doubt itself through you. Rest there. Not as a person, not as a story, but as the capacity to feel at all. Phase 4. When humanity forgets itself. Now, slowly allow awareness to widen again, but not into imagination, into fact. Right now, billions of nervous systems are bracing against loss, bracing against uncertainty, bracing against one another, bracing against themselves, not because humanity is evil, but because humanity is afraid. Every war is fear trying to feel safe. Every addiction is fear trying to feel whole. Every act of domination is fear trying to feel unsafe. See it clearly. No villains, only frightened consciousness, misinterpreting itself. Phase 5. The moment the species exhales. Now, imagine something that has never fully happened. Humanity exhales, not metaphorically, neurologically, globally. A letting go so deep that no one is trying to become anything anymore. No one is proving. No one is defending. No one is posturing. No one is bracing. The entire species feels for one silent moment that existence is not hunting it. And in that moment, there is no enemy left because fear no longer has a stage. Final transmission. The last veil. There will come a day when humanity does not awaken through catastrophe, but through exhaustion. Exhaustion with hatred. Exhaustion with proving. Exhaustion with pretending to be separate. That day is not a prophecy. It is a nervous system limit. And you, right now, are training your system for that threshold. Not through belief, but through regulation. So when your eyes open, nothing mystical needs to happen. Breath happens. Gravity happens. Sound happens. Life happens. And for once, you are not standing in the way of it.